Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to clean data using Power Query. So in our previous video we learned how to clean data in Excel. So today we are going to learn how to clean data in Excel using Power Query. So if you don't know, Power Query is in Excel as it is in Power BI. So if you've not watched my previous video on how to clean data in Excel, just go back, you see the video, just watch it before you come here. So alright, see you. Okay, so to clean data in Power Query in Excel, go to your data tab, then go to get data, then select from file. So these are different files you can import. So we are going to be working with an Excel file. So from then go to our file manager, select the file, import the file. So yeah, then select the sheet one. Then this is the preview. You can look through your data. Alright. So now we have load and we have transform. So load is when you're done cleaning your data and everything is cool and you just want to go ahead and analyze and visualize it. Then transform data is when you want to clean it, right? So we'll select transform data. So it will load us to Power Query. So yeah, welcome to Power Query. So in case this column quality is not showing your end, just go to your view tab, then come over to this column quality and check the box and it will appear. So this column quality basically just tells us the condition of our column. So looking at this date column, you see that we have 22% empty and also for the rest of the columns. Okay, so here I want you to pay attention to these apply steps. So these apply steps are just any step you take is going to be listed here. So if you want to cancel a step, you can just come over here and click on this. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the nulls. So when you want to remove a null in a column, maybe an empty cell, right? You have to be sure that that whole row is empty because a cell is connected to a row, right? Like this cell now is connected to this row. So if you want to remove this cell, this whole row is going to automatically delete. So you have to be sure that the whole row is empty. The whole row is filled with nulls before you can delete a cell. So, and to check for that, you have to just go to your filter box where we are now. Then on select all, select the null. This is just to filter out the nulls. So we just filtered out only the nulls. So you see that the whole row is empty. It's filled with nulls. So we can go ahead and delete it. So it's safe to delete it here. Okay. So let's cancel this step and go back. Then go back to your filter box and select remove empty. So it has removed our empty nulls. So let's go over to this column. Alright, this column first we are going to change the casing. We are going to change it to proper case. So just right click and go to transform. Then proper case is capitalize each word. So select that. It has gone to a proper case. Alright, so we looking at this column. All these things are not meant to be here. These things in brackets, they are aliens, okay, to our data. So how do we deal with them in Power Query? You can just split your column, split the column and delete it. So select split column by delimiter. So select the delimiter, that's space. So we are going to split from the rightmost delimiter, then press OK. So those values in a bracket are split to a new column. So we can go ahead and remove. Then we have our client column, hell and Hattie. So let's edit the name. So client, yeah. So this is cool now. Let's go to this contact column. So in this contact column, we need to trim it. Notice that they are not well aligned. So just to trim it, right click and go to transform and select trim. Yeah, that's done the job. And also I think we should leave it at proper case also. So this is good. Then let's go to department. Okay, I don't think there's anything to do here. It's all cool and fine. So let's move over to the payment column. So yeah, this payment column has none. So we are going to remove the null. So before we do that, we have to do what? Check if it's safe to delete the null. So we want to filter out the null. So you see the null is connected to other cells that have information. So if we delete this, we're going to delete these two rows. So no, we don't want to, delete important information. So let's cancel this step. So what we're going to do is that we're going to replace this null with something. So we're going to replace this null with unknown. So the payment method is unknown for these two people. So yeah, we are going to use replace values. So select replace values, value to replace null, replace with what? Unknown, unknown. Then press OK. So yeah, we replace the null with unknown. Then let's go over to this revenue. This revenue also has null. So let's filter it out to see if it's safe to delete. So yeah, you see, it's not safe to delete this null. So what we have to do is to do what? Replace it with a value. So basically it's a number column. So we're just going to replace it with 0. So go to replace value, value to find null, replace with what? 0. Then press OK. So we replaced it with 0. That's fine. Then okay, this profit column is cool and there's nothing to do here. It's all cool. So yeah, that is it. We are done cleaning our data. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, like our video, subscribe to our channel, and to be notified in our next video. Okay, see you. Bye.